In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix refund failed on Gumroad in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. If you see a refund failed error on Gumroad, the refund cannot be completed successfully for the customer. Usually, this problem happens because of expired refund windows, insufficient account balance, payment method issues, or active disputes. Now, if you want to fix refund failed on Gumroad, here's what to do. Start by checking whether the refund is still within the allowed refund period. Some refunds can only be processed within a specific time frame after the purchase. So if the refund window has expired, the refund may fail automatically. Next, log into your Gumroad account and check your available balance. Refunds are often processed from your current Gumroad balance. So if your balance is too low or funds were already paid out, the refund may not go through. After that, wait for additional sales, add funds if available, or contact Gumroad support for further help. Then, verify the customer's original payment method. Refunds can fail if the customer's card was cancelled, expired, or blocked by the bank, so the customer may need to contact their payment provider directly. Now, check whether the customer already opened a dispute or chargeback. If a chargeback is active, you may not be able to process the refund manually because the payment provider is already handling the dispute. After that, review the transaction status carefully and confirm there are no restrictions or payment processing errors. Usually, refund failures happen because of insufficient balance, expired refund eligibility, payment method problems, or active disputes. Carefully checking these areas normally fixes the issue quickly. That's it. By checking your refund eligibility, account balance, and transaction status properly, you can fix Gumroad refund failed issues and resolve customer payments successfully.